What's going on, guys? It's your man Big Hush. Today we're doing a quick video on installing the M style mirror cap. So we're going to take this one off and install the M style one. So yeah, first we get our pry tool and we're going to go pry around carefully, so make sure you do that. Yeah, so you're doing it and you work your way around. I definitely advise keeping your hand in front so then the mirror cap won't pop out of place just all at once. And there you have it. So you've got your mirror cap removed. So we're just going to clip that back in. I'd start off with the closest side of here. I'd do this side first, so carefully just clamp it in, make sure everything else is aligned. So you have to click that in place and we can give it a clean. I've already done the other side and that's how it looks like. Thank you guys for watching. Thought I'd make this quick video to help you guys out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And my hands are dirty, so it means we have got another big project that is coming soon on this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.